Welcome back. Joining us virtually today is our local CPA, Jeromy Bourque. Jeromy, thanks so much for being here with us.
Oh, happy to be here, guys.
So you have some tax tips for our viewers, and today we're talking about the IRS. They're launching a pilot program for a free e-file for taxes.
Yeah, it's kind of a fun little follow-up to our TurboTax tax tip we had 2 weeks ago. So they just announced last week that they're going to be launching a pilot program starting next year to file tax returns for, I think, about 72% of Americans.
Wow.
For free. So it's probably going to be more of just your W-2 returns.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully the plan is that it will be pre-filled. So like your W-2 that you get, you won't have to type it in. It'll be pre-filled for you, which is something I always thought should be available out there.
Yeah, I feel like that takes the headache out of a lot of tax filing. And we were talking a little bit during the break. I told you I was surprised that the IRS didn't have something like this before.
Yeah, they actually tried, and that's when TurboTax came in and said, hey, instead of you spending millions of dollars setting up this program, let us do it for you for free, and we'll offer a free service to Americans who have simple returns. And that's kind of how the fiasco happened with they had this free program, but they kind of buried it in Google searches and other links.
Well, I think this is really cool for 2024. Is there anything that people should anticipate for this pilot program?
No, I think just pay attention to it. I'm sure we're going to hear more about it, and also keep your expectations low. We see how the government rolls out these kind of programs with, the Affordable Care Act, how that insurance program portal kind of rolled out, slowly. So they're planning for next year, but we'll stay tuned and figure that out.
I think this is really cool. Hopefully, it'll work really well. Fingers crossed for that. But Jeromy, yes. If people at home have any tax questions for you, how can they contact you?
You can call us at 337-362-5005, or they can email us at info@jbourquecpa.com.
Jeromy, as always, thank you so much for joining us virtually to share these tax tips with our viewers.
No problem.
If you at home want to rewatch this or learn more, head to our website, klaf.com.